My name is Duane. We currently reside in Tiverton, Rhode Island. And myself, my wife Jamie are the current winners of the latest flooring giveaway from NEWPRO. Through, I believe, an email, we received word of the flooring giveaway. And so I went to NEWPRO's website, filled out the application, and lo and behold, here we are. I was very surprised. You know, we enter contests, pretty much never win, but it was very surprising to us. And it came at a great time when we needed a new floor. About 2 years ago, we had a flood in our kitchen that was probably going on a little longer than we thought, and it completely decimated the flooring. And we had another company come out to do remediation to get rid of the mold and everything else as a result of the flooding, and they ended up ripping up the entire floor. So we've been living with a subfloor for almost 2 years now. It's not aesthetically pleasing at all. I thought the selection was good. For a new product that we had never heard of, Josh did an excellent job explaining to us the qualities of the material that is being used, the different choices that we had, and the different colors. We weren't quite sure which color palette we wanted, and by being able to upload a photo of our kitchen into the website and pick the different floorings, we could see what it was going to look like in the end. Cannot wait. If you're looking for a new product, NEWPRO is the way to go.